let's talk about fish sex to raise awareness about freshwater migratory fish and why they are prevented from mating.
Whatever you want to call it, everyone is doing it. Except, unfortunately, me. I'm Otis, and this is my girlfriend Sophie. We want to make some, loads of babies before migratory fish go completely extinct. The problem is, there's something seriously ruining the mood. Dams!
We want to raise the awareness of migratory fish that swim along rivers to breed, but who are actually preventing from mating because of barriers like dams in rivers.
They're everywhere! We have over 1 million dams and barriers in Europe that are destroying our habitat. But more importantly, they're blocking us from the place we make love and, lay our eggs. You try doing it with this in the way.
A couple of years back, it was unthinkable to think that we would have such an EU Green Deal led by the European Commission. What about a Blue Deal for 2024? This is also, I think as NGOs, we can also put pressure on the Commission and Member States to make the rivers and the water issues more visible.
Rivers are life, and they are supporting such rich ecosystems. They are wonderful. They are just so nice as well to, live by, walk by. They are so much worth our protection and attention.